PMS jokes are not funny. Period. Pittsburgh games. Oh, that hurt. Stupid. Benj is so tired.
You want that? What is red and invisible?
I don't know.
Not a tomato.
I got it.
You get it? Because it's red and visible.
It's not a tomato.
Not a tomato.
Open your eyes, Benj. Tomatoes are in front of you.
Right. We are in the tomato. We are in a tomato.
Nope.
The world is a tomato.
That's right.
Why are we living in such a world, and why did we learn this sooner?
Still wrong.
We could have been. We could have saved so many lives by feeding them tomatoes,
Yes, we could have.
but they died because of our selfish and ignorant race. Wow.
Yes.
This needs to be heard, and the only way is through YouTube. Like, share, subscribe now, or else, I'll come and throw this can at you.